guys, I know a lot of you have been making some beautiful paint pours and wall art, so I thought this video would be great for you if you want to have them framed. Here's one that I wanted to make a frame for. If you would like to see how I made this particular piece, I will leave the link in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get started. I started off with the picture frame that I made. To make yours, you will need to look at the video that I recently did on how to make your own picture frames. I'll leave the link in the description box below to that one as well. I would suggest stopping this video and watch that one first, and then come back to this one. It will make more sense to you. I decided to paint this frame white to bring out the white in the painting. You could paint this frame any color that you want, but I usually use a color that's already in the painting. First, I'm going to flip over the picture frame so that the back is facing up. It is a great idea to put something like a plastic sheet or canvas down on the table to protect your work. Next, flip over the canvas and place it inside of the picture frame. It should be snug. Afterwards, I placed two offset clips that are 1/8 of an inch on each side of the frame. If you're not sure where to get them from, I'll put a link in the description box below. Next, I screwed it to the frame and canvas. You may need extra wood screws for this. My pack only gave me enough screws for one side of the offset clips. It makes it a lot easier to do if you use a drill, but if you don't have one, you can always use a Phillips screwdriver. Next, I'm going to place double-sided tape on the edges of the frame. Then I placed craft paper on top. Since my craft paper was not wide enough for this painting, I had to overlap another piece to place on the other side. It is definitely better to find a roll that's wider than the picture frame. Afterwards, I cut a small hole in the center of the craft paper to allow the canvas to breathe. Please make sure not to cut your artwork in the process. Next, I measured and marked the top center point of the picture frame. Then I nailed the Sawtooth picture hanger in the middle of the mark. And that's it. Take a look at it now. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.